lean back in the tube. I know you can't wait, just be patient. I know you got an itch or two.
Yo, what is up, guys? We're back for episode number 7 of Hot D. Only 2 episodes left of this series, guys. Let's get it. Let's go! Hey, man, let's go, man! This is the second last episode. Hopefully things are getting hot now. Hot. Whole Vega comes out to play. Damon gets in the game. Woo! It's time. We got 2 dragons meeting up. Is this Corliss's Basturd? This dragon chose its dragon rider, man.
You stand before the Queen of the 7 Kingdoms.
Really?
With a dragon of House Targaryen.
I had no design upon it!
What do you want?
To learn the ways of dragon riders. And to serve my queen. Your Grace.
Oh, Cyrex. Long last since I've seen you.
What is your parentage?
My mother was a shipwright. My
And your father, Lord Corliss.
No one of consequence.
Don't lie to me.
And somehow none of it matters.
What's going on, Alicent?
We are cast aside.
You'll have a scar,
Oh, yeah.
but it will be easily hidden.
Nothing is clean here.
But Alicent is beautiful, man.
I have received word of a matter of great importance. Rumor of a sighting of the dragon sea smoke. With the rider.
Y'all better tell Aemon what's going on here.
Who is this rider?
Oh, damn. It's getting rid of the useless Kingsguard.
You are, of course, welcome to bring this news to the Prince Regent, but, perhaps this is one of those whispers best left to the wind.
I don't think he believes this one. Go to the wall, guys. Hey, you guys were useless. Where's Corliss? Corliss must know.
What of the rider? Do we know who he is?
Yes, we do.
Has the thief been secured?
Her Grace has commanded that he remain here as a guest. She wishes him to be instructed in the art of dragon riding, and that I should teach him some High Valyrian.
We will await the Queen's accounting before passing judgment.
These guys are fed up. They're tired of this blasphemy.
That it's lucky.
Lucky? He surely has Targaryen blood in him somewhere. The dragon must sense it.
I once worked in a pleasure house where generations of Targaryen princelings had their revels.
They're gonna start kissing again.
They're
You speak of the lowborn.
They are as like to serve you as highborn lords or ladies, perhaps more.
This is blasphemy.
For 20 years, the lords of this realm levied insults at my sons behind my back.
What insults? Facts.
Let us raise an army of bastards.
Sus men. An army of bastards. Ugh. Team Black Stunts.
My lord.
My lord. How you have come up in the world. Well done.
He's proud of you. Looks like the Tully army. I know that fish. Damon!
Lord Tully has answered your summons and brought the River Lords, my king.
I knew it was the Tullys, man.
But the Crown congratulates you on your ascension to the head of your house and Lord Paramount in the Riverlands. Truly glorious. Well done.
I did nothing.
You have a decision to make. I presume it is clear to you which is the right one.
I am green in this sort of matter, as you so kindly point out, but...
What are you saying, boy?
You've made rather a mess here.
Whose side are you on?
Hey, my boy.
Your Grace, my lord, the River Lords await. I fear we cannot delay them any longer.
Time for action, boy.
Come along, Lord Oscar.
Time to meet the Lords, man. Let's meet the Lords. Lords of the Riverlands, brother. Look how they're checking him out.
Darkness comes the dawn. Let us put all the old unpleasantness behind us.
Oh, let's see about that.
The rivermen honor the old ways and abide by tradition. Here then is tradition. In his wisdom he has pledged his house and yours to me.
Why should we now follow a boy younger than my own sons, when you will align with one who will desecrate the innocent to reach his aims?
I did only what was necessary, my lord, and I now deliver to you the traitor Amos Bracken and his son.
No more traitor to his land than you, Willem Blackwood.
Yeah.
I agree. I am young. And I have no love for Daemon Targaryen. He has dishonored himself and the crown with his comportment here.
This what?
I see no reason to cast aside loyalty, no matter how loathsome I may find her representative, the prince.
King, mind your tongue, boy.
Hey. Boy got some balls.
Will you have our army or not? I am in the end a riverman. And the word of my house
It's
stands,
got you there, Damon.
even if so.
He had to do that though.
The old ways call for justice to be done.
Yes. Justice has been done.
Justice.
I accept you as my vassal. But there is only one answer for the crimes you visited upon your neighbors.
Oh no. Oh no.
But you did not have to pursue such savagery.
Oh no.
You did it because you wanted to. Seize him.
Okay, boy. This boy is a boy of action.
Your Grace, command them. I've only served you.
It's bad, bro.
And to prove himself deserving of our banners, he must now rectify his grievous error.
He's gonna make Damon
and dispense justice.
Oh dear.
What now, Damon? What now? What now? What you gonna do, man?
No. Did you ask your Grace? I've been faithful.
Whoops. Team Black stunts. Who's this? Viserys, the old one.
What is this?
I never wanted it. Crushes whoever wears it.
Busy T, man.
Do you want it still?
You want it, Damon? Take it.
I can't.
Is this Aegon?
Let's try, Your Grace.
Is he walking now? Hey, shame, man, Aegon. Aegon.
Your progress is impressive, but I'm afraid you must work harder.
Alan.
Does Alan know about his brother?
The Queen has found a new rider for one of her dragons. The rider is your brother. We are no dragon lords. I confess I knew little.
Does he want him to get a dragon as well?
My brother was ever restless, yearning for some sign of his worth. I am of Salton Sea. I yearn for nothing else.
Salton Sea, you say? How about the throne of Driftmark? Reyna, what are you doing? Oh, okay. I thought she's going for a dragon for 1 second. The bloody gate. I knew it. She's gonna go for the dragon. Go ahead then, Reyna. Get your dragon. Alicent.
When does your Grace mean to return to the city?
I'm not yet certain I do. Good night.
The lowborn claiming dragons. Was it her idea? Lady Massaria? These people are courageous.
What people?
Jace, think what is at stake.
I know well what is at stake. House Targaryen is the blood of the dragon. If any make claim to it, what are we then? And what if one of your base-born, silver-haired dragon riders decides he wants to rule the Seven Kingdoms? Did the Conqueror's dream foretell that?
Jace, with these riders, we can end a needless war.
Did you think I would have dark hair?
Yeah, answer, Ranera.
When you took Harwin Strong into your bed, did you think I might favor him, or did it not cross your mind?
Take some responsibility.
I'm no fool, Mother. The proof is here for all to see. Yet I may argue my legitimacy to succeed you because I have a dragon. And now you say you'll strip that from me too.
But I cannot gainsay that which the gods have laid before me.
Do whatever you must to see that it finds her.
Finds who? You working with Massaria? Where is this message going to, huh?
From the Queen.
Oh, this woman. Are they looking for bastards? Yep.
You won't believe this. Word is, Rhaenyra's recruiting small folk to go to Dragonstone.
Oh, fuck that.
They're looking for Targaryen bastards. Boats leave tonight.
7 hells off.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah.
You've been taken in, lads.
No. The Queen's...
Now's your time to prove your Targaryen heritage.
First in line if it wasn't for my injury. Because my leg hasn't been the same since.
This guy's full of shit.
And claim a dragon.
Dragon?
Yeah, no, I know.
What?
I know. I can't. I can't be sure it's all true.
This guy's a liar, man.
Never live it down.
Never live it down. Come on, Ulf, the time has come.
Come on.
Can I see a little glimmer?
Where is
Time has come, my boy.
Yes. Yes, there he is.
There's this guy.
Want you to go.
Think he's also a dragon. I mean, a bastard.
I never knew my father. Not much is true. But I did know my mother.
Who was your mama?
She worked in a pleasure house. She was
These bastards always come from pleasure houses.
She used to tell me I was no different to her brother's boys, Viserys and Daemon.
Whoa. So this guy is half brothers with Daemon.
And now, we would never want again if I claimed a dragon.
Let's go, bastard. Let's go. Aemon will deal with these guys anyway. So many bastards. Jesus. Alicent. Enjoying the great outdoors. Guess she also wants peace, man. Peace. Is she going for a swim? Just some, relaxation. It's the bastard trials. It is an abomination.
Skurion Judra.
Drizot andaligita. Vetetiri rudax. Corras maestas. Ziris aldriza exio istosaor. Sesir bonidaor. Saldrizesi voskizi isi. Uepo valirio sete non toligor keso vihot montasmo isi. Polaro tim triti sitnin kiapot mentani sosi daor.
Tell her, this woman. Good, good. Leave her with her bastards. Team Black. Team Bastard.
Suffering will be ended. And without bloodshed. God's willing.
So how many of these bastards are gonna burn? To achieve her goals. This woman. Carry on. Gonna get people burned.
It's called the Bronze Fury.
Who's gonna take Vermithor? Let's see.
May the gods bless you.
This is not a good plan. Carry on. You guys are gonna burn. Yeah, let's watch some bastards burn, shall we? Come, Vermithor. Come burn these bastards. You think he might claim it, though?
Maziz Vermitos.
Vermithor. Ooh, shut. Look at all these bastards to burn. Whoa. It's a cool shot. Another cool shot. Alright, that's cool.
Who among you would be first?
Who's the brave bastard? Come! The first to burn me, bro.
It must be the dragon who speaks.
Somebody's gonna die tonight. What's wrong with your eye? Jeez. Woo! That's what happens.
Your Grace, we must away.
No.
Shout! Look at the people dying. Team Black stunts. Oh, you're still alive. Okay. Are you gonna do it, brother? Damn! It's a bastard barbecue. Uh-oh! What now? She's dead.
Here I am!
I think you got yourself a dragon, man.
Come on!
You still killed how many people? Is this guy also gonna get some water dragon? Let's see if you are a liar, sir. Did you just step in the egg, bruh? Uh-oh, brother. Uh-oh, brother. Ah, looks like this dragon likes you. Looks like you were talking truth, huh?
There is great concern that his host is threatened on two fronts by armies allied with House Beesbury.
What's all the commotion?
However, in happier tidings, when he does, the Hightower host will be unstoppable.
There's a dragon! What's going on, guys? What you doing here? Do you know that Vega's here? Oh, this guy's gonna declare for Amen. Yeah!
Open the gate!
Get Vega, boy. Get Vega. Deal with this, man. Woo! And Vega. Vega's epic. Epic. Hey, this might be a problem. Fucking hell. Alright. Looks like Team Black got a couple of dragons. But you know what? We ain't scared. We ain't scared on Team Green. We got Vega. Looks like Darian got a dragon too. Bring it. Bring it, Team Black. That is it. Episode number 7 is done. We'll be back for the last episode of the season. Oh, then it's the long wait. Ah, well. See y'all next time. Peace.